Hi everyone, I am Catherine Kurula, an intern from Pixel Boho. I am here to share you 5 tips on how to make your illustrations better and professional. Number 1. Draw it. Before handling your software, draw it on the paper. And why is it that? Number 1. It makes your ideas flow. Number 2. It helps you to organize your ideas. Follow the pattern. Sometimes you might feel that you are cheating, but trust me, no. Referring and observing other people's work will help you enhance your work as well as keep you track with the current trends. Number 3, make it simple. Illustrations are a medium to convey messages, so please don't overcrowd it. Number 4, details. Addition of details or addition of minute details in your illustrations will make your illustrations very attractive. Also, focus on the framing. Use larger artboards so that the buyers can minimize it to their desired size. Number 5, relax. Sometimes you might get stuck between the tools or you might run out of ideas, but make sure that you watch some tutorials and take a break. Enjoy illustrating from Pixel Boho.